Good morning. So right now I got a lot of things to do this morning. First of all, I have to go and try and get a book for my history class because my teacher had assigned some assignments to do and to read some things out of the book before class today. And the class starts at 9:30. Right now it's like at 8:50. So I'm gonna try and get to the bookstore, get the book that I need so that I can be prepared for class. And then my English teacher has some assignments we were supposed to do on the computer, but it wasn't working on my iPad. So I'm gonna have to sit down and try and do it on the computer probably after my history class. I'll have about 30 minutes in between, so I'll be able to take care of those things. And then I don't think I have to do anything to prepare for my physics class. Hopefully. I'll check that. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the bookstore.
My name is Amina.
Alrighty. Take care.
Thank you.
Okay, so that lady I just met at the bookstore, she's really sweet, very kind, and she actually has a YouTube channel herself. So I may put her name in my description. So yeah, check her out if you want to. I have no idea what she shares, but she was nice to me, so I figured I'd put her out there. Up next, I'm going to go to my class and read the assignment since I got the book now, and then it should be good from there. Alrighty. I decided to cut it for today. Just too many people standing around or sitting around using up the equipment. I already asked one lady to get off so that I could use it. I didn't ask her to get up. I asked her if she was done using it, and she said, "Oh, go ahead." She got up, and then there was another person who sat down, and then I was gonna approach her. I was gonna be, "Hey, are you using this?" But then it seemed like she was adjusting the weight, so I was like, "Oh, okay." Thinking in my head, she's gonna adjust the weight, she's gonna use it, and then she's still just sitting there on her phone. So then I decided, you know what? I've already done 3 sets in the second round. I'm done with this round. I did 4 sets at the first round, and what I mean by rounds is that if you notice I have like 7 exercises to do, then I'll split it. So I'll do the first 4. And I'll cycle through the first 4, and then I'll do the next 3, and then I'll cycle through those 3. And the reason I do that is because somebody who's a bodybuilder suggested that to me, because so I don't spend too much time in between workouts, so that I can have a more effective workout and keep moving, and keep my heart rate going, and get the pump going. So that's what I do. And next is actually the yoga class, which should be coming up very soon. Not sure if it's in that room. Workouts over there, like a dojo over there, or if I have to go downstairs into a room in there for that class. But first, I gotta get a yoga mat. So right now, I am currently doing a yoga class. This is the room that the class is in, and I'm not sure what to expect. But here it is. Yoga mats. That's mine, and that's mine too. But this is the room. And that's the big old fan. It's pretty close to 6 o'clock and there's no one here. Not sure why. I guess I'll stretch on my own. Well, we finally got someone in here, so that's a plus. But it's just me. So I guess we'll just see how this works out. This is a 12-pound stick. I want to see if I can balance it.